Hi everyone, this video will show you how to request IGETC or CSU General Education Certification. IGETC or CSU General Education Certification happens when you've completed either general education pattern and you are about to transfer to a university. You will submit a form to request certification, and DVC will let the university that you're transferring to know that you've completed all of your lower division general education. So you will follow the IGETC if you are transferring to a University of California or a California State University, and you will follow the CSU General Education if you are transferring to a Cal State University only. Let me show you how you will get to the form. First, go to www.dvc.edu. Then you'll scroll down and on the side you'll click Admissions. Next, when you go to the side again, click on Forms. Scroll down and you'll want to select IGETC/CSUGE request for certification. Now, when do you submit this form? You will typically submit this form maybe in April, May, or June. So you want to make sure that you have been accepted to a university and that you have already submitted your intent to register or intent to enroll at that university. You do not want to fill this out before then, because if you have not already picked a university, this will get sent nowhere and it will get lost. So make sure that you have already submitted your intent to enroll to your new university and that you will be registered there as a student. Now let me go ahead and go over this request form. Here you're just going to put your information, your name, student ID, other names used, your birth date, and your phone number. Here, are you currently enrolled in IGETC/CSUGE courses? So if you are currently taking a class to complete your IGETC or CSU general education, you will say yes. If you are not currently completing a class to complete your IGETC or CSU general education, you will say no. If you are currently taking a class, you will just select here which semester you are currently in. Will coursework from another college be used? So if you have attended another school and you turned in your transcripts, had an evaluation, and any coursework from another college will be used, then you'll select yes. For IGETC certification to a UC, was your foreign language requirement completed in high school? So if you submitted your high school transcript, had an evaluation appointment with a counselor, and it said that your 2 years of high school language completed the IGETC foreign language, then you will say yes. Are you applying AP test scores? So if you took an AP test, got a 3 or higher, submitted your College Board scores to DVC, and had an evaluation appointment with a counselor and saw that any of the AP scores were covering your IGETC or your CSU General Ed, you will select yes. Are you requesting partial certification? So the note here will explain what that is. IGETC partial certification can only be processed if you are ready to transfer and you are lacking only 2 courses. So this can be done if you are lacking only 2 courses. If you are requesting partial certification, then you will say yes. Here you will select which pattern you are following. Here you will put your home address. And then here you will put which university you want this sent to and what their address is. If you are not sure, please check in with the university you are transferring to, check in with their admissions and records office, and ask them where they would like the certification to be sent. Be sure that you put your signature at the bottom of this form. If you are getting CSU or IGETC certification, they will also send you a certificate since you've completed the classes. So you can select here if you choose to receive the certificate or not. I suggest you receive it, but it's totally up to you. It's something that you can put on your resume, or it's just an achievement after completing your time here at DVC. So you'll fill out the information, put in your address, and again, sign here. So this is the IGETC and CSU certification request. If you need to submit this and you want to know how to submit this online, let me show you how to do that. So currently today is April 29th, 2020, and as of today, the Admissions and Records just wants you to email the form to them. So you can go to, you can email them at admissions@dvc.edu and attach that form. If you are accessing this video and it is after April or May, a lot of times things change. You can always check in with Admissions and Records and ask them how they would like you to submit the form. There is a chat box here that's available Monday through Friday, or you can email admissions@dvc.edu to ask them how they would like the form. Thank you.